Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how you can turn off some of those email notifications so that you're not getting so many emails that are not really needed. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google Classroom where you see all your classes and go up to the left-hand corner and these three little lines you're going to click. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of this list, so you might have to scroll down a little bit because you might have more classes than I have here. And then you're going to find this button that says Settings and click that. All right, when you come to the settings, you're going to see that there is a spot that says Notifications and it says Email. So if this is not blue, so if it's gray like that, make sure you turn it on blue. It might already be. And then we're going to start turning some of these other things off. So we're going to leave comments on your post, comments that mention you, and private comments on your work. We're going to leave those all blue. If they're not blue, you see them gray, turn them blue. All right. Next, classes you're enrolled in, work and other posts from teachers. We don't need those emails. You're going to see those on your Google Classroom. Returned work and grades from your teacher. You need to leave that blue so that you know if your teacher returns an assignment for you to go correct. Invitations to join classes as a student. We don't really need that because if a teacher needs you in their class, they're going to give you their class code. Due date reminders for your work. You shouldn't need that either because you're checking Google Classroom daily, so you're going to know. Now, you all don't teach any classes, so I'm not sure if you'll see this, but if you do see classes you teach, turn these all gray because you don't teach any classes right now. All right. Last thing. This class notifications, make sure those are all blue. Don't touch those, make them blue. Okay? All right, and so hopefully by just leaving those few things blue there and turning everything else gray will help limit the amount of emails you're getting, so that way if your teacher sends you a specific email, you'll be able to see that a little easier. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact your teacher and they can help you out.